Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Emily Frankowski back with us from Connect2Culture. Welcome back. So there's a couple of events that we did not get to. As a matter of fact, some exhibits and classes that are going on. So what do you got?
This just scratches the surface. So if you go to connect2culture.org and take a look at our calendar, you can actually look at categories. You can look at exhibits or classes, performances or events all throughout the year. So everything is on there, and we're constantly updating that. But yes, the third grade collaboration, I wanted to spotlight this because it's such a great opportunity for third graders in our area. The Spiva Center for the Arts arranges every year. They have the third grade visits to Spiva. Obviously, Spiva is now in the Cornell complex on the second floor. Their galleries are there. So they have over 1,800 third graders that come and they experience their exhibits and they get to learn from the art on exhibit, and they also get to create their very own exhibit from what they've learned in the Joe Mueller Reserve Gallery. So they've got they've got Thomas Hart Benton's lithographs on display in the Four State Gallery. And then the Freeman Health System Gallery is right now being transformed into a new exhibit that will feature Holly Wilson. And so the third graders will get to experience those two exhibits, learn about them, and then visit their special gallery that they'll get to collaborate on that pertains to those two exhibits. So I always think that's such a great experience for those third graders. And it will be something the public can get to enjoy as well.
See, and I remember going there in the third grade and creating my own art and things like that. And I don't think they had the space to put our art on display. We got to take it home.
Yes.
But it's a great experience to be able to go there at that age and see what the arts have to offer.
Exactly, it is. And then a class that's coming up in the Joplin area is the Advanced Improv Skills Workshop. And this is with Joplin Improv, which is an improv group. They do workshops occasionally, also performances. January 14th and 15th, they're going to have improvist, I guess you could call her, from Oklahoma City that's coming to Joplin and will teach you all about improv. They do recommend that you've taken a 101 class before so that you kind of know the gist of what improv is. If you don't know what improv is, it's kind of acting, it's kind of comedy, and you're just kind of flying by the seat of your pants. It's a lot of fun, and it definitely builds a lot of skills that people should have in life. So you do have to reserve your spot. It's $50 a day or $90 for both of those 2-day sessions. Sessions, but it's at, I believe it's at Joplin Avenue Coffee Company, which is where they usually have different events for Joplin Improv. But it definitely, get advanced reservations for that one because it's going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, it certainly sounds like it. And as you mentioned, this only scratches the surface of everything that's going on. So you can find more information at Connect2Culture.org. And of course, you can find this information on our website at KOAMNewsNow.com. Emily, thanks so much for coming in this morning. We'll see you again next month. Same time, same channel. And we'll be back with more right after this.